Okay, everybody, we are on the way to the aquarium. I've got Phoebe on my lap, Jinx at my feet, Hannah's right there, Maddie's right there, Major's right there, Aaron's right there, and where's the floof? There's the floof! Hi, the floof! So, clown car, as usual, with 4 dogs and 4 people. So we are headed to the aquarium.
West on East Locust Street.
And we're gonna head west on East Locust Street. So we go now. We have made it to the aquarium. The boys are over there. Phoebe's right here. Floof's right there. They're all in boots. Because, you know, it's soggy.
Sorry.
That's Madison. That's Hannah.
Ooh.
That's Aaron. Yeah, there's like puddles. So the dogs are in boots. But
Major,
yeah.
come here.
It's very pretty. There's a nice fountain with a swordfish. And Major. Major makes it pretty. It's a very nice opening. It's very nice. Is that a potato? Phoebe looks so tiny from this angle. I don't know why. She just looks like very small. There we go.
Looks like royalty's playing.
Oh my god.
Stand up. Do you want to see? Sit.
Look at the camera. Be the camera.
You see Hannah?
You see Hannah? You can see Hannah.
Just to the eyes shifting. Dogs who think they're wolves.
You're in the South.
Missouri who? I have never seen a taxidermy giraffe before. Oh, there's an ostrich. There's ostriches. I love ostrich. Come here. This is very fun. There's like a museum attached to the aquarium.
I don't think
And it's predominantly, it doesn't look like it. I also think it's pretty much illegal to shoot baby elephants. Oh, but there's baby giraffe.
I mean, I'm gonna die of natural causes.
Yeah. But, yeah, no, it's mostly taxidermy. Mostly poorly done taxidermy. But that one's back there with the floof. There's that one and that one. And it's very cool. It's a nice experience. We're pretty tired, but it's fun. Oh my god. Ew. It's foggy, it's cold, it's gross, but it was fun.
Was it Halloween or did they put down ice?